What's going on, family? Man, I hope you guys, y'all good? Ooh, man, y'all see where we are? We are at Martin Chevrolet. We finally got a chance to come out to this event. Never been able to make it here before because of the timing with church, but when I tell you, we're here. We need to get rid of this noise. Let's go look at these cars, man. I think there's gonna be tons of vets out here, like crazy. Crazy number of vets. Man, this thing is nasty. Ooh, got a little bit of everything out here. Absolutely loving it. So just to let you know, this is an all GM event, right? They do have some outsides they allow to come into this. I've never been before to see what it looks like, but this is a really good tournament, man. Ooh, look at this paint on this. Sheesh. Man, we off to the races. This bed is beautiful. Goldie. It's beautiful. Sheesh. Man, 1928. Y'all here with their chairs, man. We seen this guy before. This car. Now the USS. What up, man? How you doing? It's fun.
Dude, were you here for the honor guard?
Oh, I told you I got church and
I know.
yeah, I can't make that. There's no guarantee for me.
How you doing, bud?
I'm doing good. How are you, man?
Hanging in there?
Hey, it's good to see you.
Nice
man.
seeing you.
Hold up. E-Ray. I'm gonna tell you, man, this is one that I really was interested in looking at getting because of the all-wheel drive solution. These do have some challenges, but man, I tell you, I still like it. I still like the all-wheel drive idea of this car because I would drive it year-round. To break the norm above the norms. Yes, sir. Let's go look over here.
Right here. Yeah, this is our newest edition.
Man, this is Paul's car. How you doing? I'm doing well. Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
I'm doing well. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. My new baby.
How you liking it?
Oh my god. I'm just driving it like,
It's a different,
oh my god, it's like
different
a
animal.
day.
People don't,
6-7?
yeah, people. There's a reason why this car got really hot this season.
Yes.
This car is the truth.
Oh.
I don't know if you've seen it, like,
People are even trading their C8s for the 6-7.
Yeah.
Like, they're even like,
Yeah.
no, I don't even
Yeah.
want the C8. They're like, I
Yeah.
want the C7.
if you've seen this one next to this new Z06, not from a dig, because from a dig it thing hooks,
Yeah.
but from like a 60 roll, 40 roll, it kills it.
I'm obsessed.
Monster, man.
I love this thing so much. It just, I hit the gas a little bit and I'm like,
Yes.
I'm like, okay, we are going. Oh, you gotta see my new plate.
I tell people it's like a superpower, man. It's like a superpower. Yes. It's that time of season. It's that time of season.
Z06. Paul's like, it has to have Z06. Like, it has to be a Z somewhere in their plate. But
Spice.
I was like, okay, I'll get a Z on there.
Oh my God, I love it.
He's like, I'll get a Z on there. I'll get a Z. So I was like, I'll keep up with the pumpkin spice too. But then he's like, shit, I just told her pumpkin spice. That's what it's gonna be. I was like, oh yeah. Because I was thinking like orange, like
Yeah.
flame or fire. Or, like,
I think that's perfect, especially with that flake.
oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Or metallic.
Yes.
Orange,
Yes.
metallic.
Did he? I see you got a green belt under the hood. You changed it fully already and tuned it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
He really touched it very much. He's upgraded a little bit, but not like full tune or anything. So.
Yeah.
Not fully, but like he just upgraded a bunch of stuff.
I see some interesting things going on under here.
Look at my phone.
Oh my God! Of course.
Hey,
All right, guys, we got some more. Just chatted up with Paul and Paul's wife. Man, I love their car. I love the work they did to it. But I don't know if you guys ever seen any of these cars before, but they're a bunch of Corvettes. I don't know how this fresh for you guys, but that's a nice Plymouth Cuda. Ooh, that Trans Am is nice. See if we can find something. Ooh, that thing is nice. And Polaris sweet. We got some nice cars out here. They're really clean. I think that's the plus, right? Another Cuda, GTO, lots of vets. Oh, what's that?
Stand. They're gonna do a cruise around.
Love the white wheels on this Mustang. Pretty cool. Love seeing the vets, man. Pretty good. Goat. How about Ford? Oh, wow, look at that guy. You smell that thing looks good. Oh my goodness. You getting some love over there? A little bit. You doing all right yourself? It's hot out here. Wow, base car. Bit nice. Oh, what's this? Good. Uh-oh, we got a kid out here. What Michael Knight? Some nice cars out here. RT is beautiful. I know one thing I was wondering. I know what they did with the 06 versus 06. I wonder if they do that to CR1 if it has the same effect. This I said to people, get out of here, B. Good Lord. Two. Ooh, this thing good. Sheesh. Not sharing my icy, whatever it is. All right, we stopped to get us a snowball. Oh, well, hold up. Depends on where you are. So if you're from New Orleans, we call these snowballs. It could be a snow cone, it could be icy or whatever people call them. But it's a snowball. Man, look at this thing right here. This C3 looks good. I like the wheel. We got some Russell mod going on here. Ooh, look at that. The LS3 in here. Man, this is a goal for me right here. To be able to do this one day. One day. Good Nova. Alright, let's see what we got over here. Oh, I know this car. This thing is clean. 502, super clean. Look at under the hood. Man, it's sparkling. Sheesh. Jewelry.
And my neighbor, he told
I think it's beautiful. Nova's beautiful. Look at this Nova, man. I like Novas, guys. I do. Had one. Not this good looking, but I had one. It's beautiful. I like Novas. We got over there. Ooh. I think it's beautiful. Oh, we can start recording.
So when he runs it, there's nothing I can do.
Ran down. That's just hard, man. Pretty nice. Like the product. Pretty nice. Another Nova, and I missed that. Ooh, Ribby. Let's look at this Nova. Look like it's going through something, but I get working it up. Like Novas, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all guys. I ain't exhausted. I'm tired. After this morning, I'm tired. Man, I've seen everything. I feel like I need to sit down for a minute. Alright. We're gonna go and sit down for a minute, man, and talk about some stuff. Y'all get what's going on, family? I just wanted to come on here real quick. Just jump on in. And this is actually a pretty decent little show. I'm sorry I missed it for many years, and this is primarily because of church. I was only able to make this one this year because they pushed it back an hour or so, something like that. Not so early, start a little bit later, ending, and kind of cool, man. I mean, this is a really good show. They have a lot of really good cars out here, not just the Chevy or GM models, but they got a lot of other cars out there that's really nice. Yeah, it was good. One of my favorites, of course, is always the Ford GT. Love Ford GT. Have me in our car. Never put that on the want list because you can't afford that, but yeah, one of my favorites, man. Listen, man, y'all know how we do, man. We don't do the normal right here. Martin Chevrolet is not one of your normal places to go. They don't do the average right here. I say, man, because they were designed for greatness. Because they were designed for greatness, guys have the right responsibility and authority to never be average. So guys, don't be average. Yeah.